I'm starting by priming my eyes with MAC paint pot, and this just helps the eyeshadow stay in place. For the palette, we're going to be using this one from Juvia's place, picking up the yellow color with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and then just apply that all over my eyelids. And just bringing that a little bit past my crease. Next, I'm picking up the color just below it with a small blending brush and apply that to my crease, and that will be the transition color. And then I'm applying this almost like a teal green shade with a flat eyeshadow brush all over my eyelids, and I'm not bringing that color past my crease or anything, and I'm building up on this intensity because I want this color to show up. And with a clean eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to went in and blend out the edges a little bit. With a smaller detailer brush, I'm picking up this dark almost black color and apply that on my outer V to deepen and create more depth to the look, and then blending it in with a blending brush. With a flat concealer brush, I'm picking up this glitter shade right in the middle of the palette and pack that on to the first half of my eyelids and really just build on that color. And then later on, I'm just going to go back in with a blending brush to blend all the color together. Let's line the eyes. Any eyeliner will do. This one is from Stella. This is one of my favorite eyeliner. I'm just going to wink out my eyes a little bit. And I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara to both eyes. I like to do 2 coats of this Better Than Sex mascara. And I just apply some mink lashes. For the primer, I'm going to use this one from Touch and Soul, and I'm just applying that primer all over my face. This just helps with keeping the foundation in place. So for the foundation itself, we're going to be using this one from Drugstore. This is the CoverGirl, and I'm in the shade T30, and I'm just blending it with my foundation brush. Any foundation brush would do. For concealer, we're going to use the one from CoverGirl too. This is one of their brand new concealer, and I quite like it. And not to mention that this is a drugstore brand, so you know it's better for your wallet. And I'm going to use just a makeup sponge you can get from Target or any drugstore and blend that out. And I'm going to use this Ciate London powder to just powder my face real quick. I'm using a big fluffy powder brush. For bronzer, we're going to use this one from Becca. This is one of my favorite bronzer. And I'm going to just shade my face, my forehead, and along my nose. Going back to the palette, we're picking up that darker bottom shade again and just smoke down my lower lash line. And with an eyeliner, this is a white eyeliner. I'm just going to line my water lash line on the bottom to open up the eyes, and then apply another coat of the mascara to the bottom lash. For blush, we're going to use this palette from Morphe, and I'm picking up the color MUA and dust that lightly on the cheek. Highlight, we're going to use this one from Becca. I'm going to highlight my cheek, my nose, and my cupid's bow. And also the inner corner of my eyes to make it look wide awake. And then don't forget under your brow bone. And then for lip gloss, I'm going to use this one from Persona in the color Toffee. And I'm just going to lightly apply that on my lips. I really like this gloss. It's not really sticky, and the color is pretty pigmented, and it just looks really nice with this look. And that is the look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and find it easy to follow. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! This world can be so cruel.
like we're